I just added powder and lotion. And it's like that. So you put it down. Sticky. Well, no, it's not. So you're just gonna do this. Stretch it. It kind of got hard because I left it out. And I'm at my dad's. So the house looks different. My dad's in front. So you just do that. And it's gonna look like this. I left it out in my room because I was like sleeping and I had the fan on and the window open. It kind of got a little hard, so make sure you put it in a container that has a lid or something. What I'm going to do is put it in. Oops. So there's the powder. I'm going to put it in this cup. This is one.
You got it, baby?
Yeah. So I'm just gonna put it in this cup and put aluminum foil over it to make sure it's perfect. I had it in this baggie, but I don't like it no more. So yeah, thanks guys. Please like and subscribe.